I was just asked a question about this particular pattern. Because of the way that I create the patterns, I don't show which direction the knots are going. So I'm here to try to help clear it up and make it a little bit easier for the person who asked. All right, when it's a red on red, it doesn't matter which way you make the knot. It completely 100% does not matter. Use the one you're most comfortable with. Again, with the blue on blue, same thing. It's when you have, like here, you have a red and a blue, right? The red is what color the knot is, so you know that's the string you're using, and you're going over top of the blue, and that the red came through all the way to the other side. So that means it's just a regular straight left-handed knot. If the red had changed its direction, then it would have been a left and a right, but it doesn't. This whole bracelet is simply a straight lefts or rights. You can, however, use those other knots in the case of where it's like, say, a red and a red. If one particular strand is getting used a lot more than the others, you can use that to be able to change up and give the shorter strings a chance. So down here, blue on blue is the same. It doesn't matter which direction you go. Blue going over top of the red should make that real obvious that this is going left-handed. Over here, blue over the red, it was a right-handed knot. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have any more questions, go ahead and contact me through my website, through Discord, or Instagram, and I'll do my best to respond. Thanks again.